One of the most fascinating achievements we've seen in recent years is the development of adaptable houses for living on other planets. The dream of living on another planet is no longer just a fantasy from sci-fi movies. Scientists have been working tirelessly to make it a reality, and they finally made it happen. Inspired by movies like Star Wars and Avatar, these scientists have designed houses that can withstand the harsh conditions of other planets. These houses are equipped with advanced technology and are built to be adaptable to the unique environments of different planets. Imagine being able to live on a planet other than Earth. This is no longer just a dream, but a reality that is getting closer every day. Join us on our channel as we explore the latest breakthroughs in technology and discover what the future holds. If you want to stay up to date with the latest advancements in technology, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on the exciting world of tomorrow. Tera is a cylindrical-shaped house that is designed to be 3D printed using AA Space Factory's proprietary technology. The design of the house is inspired by biomimicry, which is the imitation of natural processes and forms in design. The cylindrical shape of Tera is inspired by the natural shape of bird nests, which are also designed to be energy efficient and protect the occupants from the harsh elements. The material used to 3D print Tera is a basalt composite made from basalt fiber and renewable, plant-based bioplastic. The use of basalt composite has several advantages over traditional building materials such as concrete or steel. Basalt composite is much lighter than concrete, making it easier and more cost-effective to transport to Mars. It is also more durable than concrete and steel, and it is resistant to extreme temperatures, radiation, and other environmental hazards that are prevalent on Mars. One of the key features of Tera is its energy efficiency. The house is designed to be completely self-sufficient and powered by renewable energy sources such as solar power. The cylindrical shape of the house also helps to maximize energy efficiency by reducing the surface area exposed to the harsh elements of Mars. Tera is designed to be a self-sustaining habitat with an interior garden for growing plants and a water filtration system to reuse water. The design also includes a double shell system to protect against extreme temperatures and radiation. The outer shell is made of a durable and lightweight basalt fiber composite, while the inner shell is made of a translucent polycarbonate shell to allow natural light to enter the living space. The design of Tera is heavily influenced by the unique challenges of living on Mars. It is also designed to be modular, which means that it can be easily expanded or reduced in size depending on the needs of the occupants. This is an important feature for a house on Mars, where space and resources are limited. The house is compact and efficient, with a minimal use of resources. The interior is designed to optimize the use of space, with integrated furniture and storage solutions. The house is also designed to be easily transported and assembled, making it a practical solution for space travel. Overall, Tera represents a significant step forward in the development of sustainable, 3D printed housing for the future of space exploration. Its innovative design and use of advanced materials and technologies make it a promising model for future human settlements on Mars and other planets. The house is intended to be 3D printed using advanced robotics and materials, making it a potential solution for building structures on other planets. AA Space Factory envisions Tera as a potential solution for establishing a permanent human settlement on Mars. By using advanced robotics and materials, the company believes that 3D printed habitats like Tera can be built quickly and efficiently, providing a viable option for living on other planets. Now, do you think you are ready to live in a 3D printed house on Mars?